Hello again, everybody. This is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2021 Forest River Grey Wolf 23 DBH. Single slide out, large bunks in the back, queen bed up front. Great floor plan. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, do me a favor, watch till the end of the video. I'll show you a quick clip with the slide outs in so you can see what you do and don't have access to when you're traveling. Also, give me a quick thumbs up, and if you have not yet already, hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell. That notification will keep you posted when new campers are put on. You'll be the first ones to see new decors, new options, just see what's the new, latest, and greatest out on the market. So thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. Alright, start on the inside. The 23 DBH. You see the large U-shaped dinette. Large bunks in the back. Nice kitchen. Queen bed up front. With that, we will start in the master bedroom. Queen walk around bed. Good storage underneath. USB charging station and receptacles. Good storage with cabinet doors. You do have a spot for a TV in the bedroom. Solid doors that do close off. So not curtains, you get good privacy. On the other side, you still have USB and charging there as well. In the living area, your TV setup. You do have an electric fireplace that does put out heat. Stereo system. You can sync your phone to. You have USB, HDMI, all your hookups, inside and outside speakers. In the dinette, you've got USB charging. Nice feature for the shades. These zebra shades. It's in a little bit of light or blocks out the light altogether. So nice roller shade setup. We will take a look at setup and breakdown of the booth dinette. Alright, setup and breakdown of the U-shaped dinette. Two pedestals. They pop right off. So you got the Velcro tabs on the top and bottom. Right here on the edge of the lip. There's your base. Here's your bed. 86 by 45 is the bed size, so decent length for a taller person. Setting it back up, remove your two cushions. That, by the way, is the best way to travel with it in the down position, so it doesn't tip over. There's no chance of it popping out. Put those two pedestals in. And you're all set up, ready to eat. You do have nice deep drawers. On the other side, nice pantry area. Kitchen. Barn style black stainless steel sink. Flush mount cover. Spray head. Another cover over your range that acts as a splash guard. LED lights. Good size oven. Nice spot for a trash can down low. Real wood drawers. Glass front. cabinet doors, microwave. You do have a range that does exhaust outside. Overhead skylight that does have a shade in the living area, so nice feature there. Staying in the slide out area, you do have blue LED lights. People say, man, I don't like those lights. I will say they act as a nice night light. So if at night someone's sleeping at the dinette or in the bunks, they can get in the bathroom without having to turn all the lights on. So you don't need to use it as your primary light, but a nice feature. Ducted AC throughout, so it does cool quickly and quietly. Furrion, they do the 10 cubic foot electric refrigerator. So a huge refrigerator, and with this juice pack that is on here, you get the battery minder, so it tells you your voltage and your battery disconnect all in one area. Heat duct, your fuse panel, your bunk area, built-in ladder. Both bunks have their own lighting, receptacles. You've got USB throughout. You've got your own air duct there as well. And then you've got privacy curtains for the top and bottom. So nice setup for the bunks. To get a smaller camper like this with two large bunk beds, it's hard to find. Good sized bathroom with their own door going to the outside. Tub, shower, surrounds. I will say this, I'm 6'5". I am in the skylight in this, but I can still stand in it. So 6'5", you can still stand in this shower. Shower head's about at my chin. Nice large sink in the bathroom, motion sensor lighting, light over the vanity, and you do have a nice, fantastic fan as well. So very nice, very popular 23 dBH Grey Wolf. And after looking at the inside, we'll move to the outside and take a look around. All right, moving around to the outside. Nice aluminum siding. Power tongue jack on the front. They've added the little holder for your safety chains. Also, 7-pin holder. 2 20-pound LP bottles. We ordered this with the juice pack, so solar panel on the roof. You do have the battery that comes with it. Dry weight 5,228 pounds. You've got all 4 corner stabilizer jacks. Check down below in the description. I've got a video on maintenance on those. Your cable hookup and your low point drains. Nice aluminum rims. You do have a hot and cold outside shower. We are looking at a 30 amp service. Your water hookup and a nice convenience light. Your black and gray pool valves for your sewer. Storage underneath those bunks in the back. Clips that hold the doors up for you. On the back, we've got the travel rack built in. Hold your spare tire. Remove 1 pin, which we'll do here. Then you've got a rack for storage for bikes, for coolers, any of your gear going down the road. Strap it down. You do have a prep for a backup camera. Moving around to the entry side, you do have 2 entry doors. The first one would be your living area, but the one in the back would be quick access to the bathroom so you don't track through the camper. You do have a black tank flush. Down low in the corner, your leash latch. So while you guys are camping, you can hook your pet up instead of trying to do a twist down in the road or in the grass. Nice and secure here right on the side of the camper. Full length power awning with LED lights. You do have outside speakers. The TV you can move outside, hook right here on the sidewall. You've got 110 and your hookups for cable outside. Exhaust for your range hood. Your step above entry step. So this would be your main entry area. Again, friction hinge on those doors. Nice and secure. All the steps up, lock in place. No exposed frame, nothing to deal with on the outside. Your steps travel inside, nice and secure. Quick connect for your LP, so you can hook up a grill outside. Large assist handle. The other side, you've got nice storage here. Again, latch holds the door open. So very nice. 2021 Forest River Grey Wolf 23 DBH. All right, as promised, slide out in. You got plenty of room getting into the bed. Full access to walk front to back to get into the refrigerator, your bunks, your bathroom. Even if you didn't, you still could get in through the bathroom door, but other than floor space, you do not lose anything with the slide in.